Okay. The first time we noticed that something was off with the floor was when we tore down the tiny guest bathroom.
Whoa.
Hui.
It is normal that the floor is so vibrating.
I was thinking the same thing. Wow, it's really vibrating.
Uh-huh.
We have to look into that. Not today! It's just way too shaky. It feels not very stable. So we went down to the cellar and then we saw that there's actually a lot of damage already happening. Okay, so this is probably the worst spot. You can see that the damage is pretty severe. This is very unsafe. Yeah, I called an architect and an engineer. They came over and said that this is not safe. We have to take out the ceiling.
What? We can't repair?
I was like, I also just realized that I didn't tell you that we're going to take out the whole ceiling.
This one, yeah?
Yeah.
No way.
Yes. I have a feeling once we're done with the house, this will be the only thing that is original. And okay, let me address one thing in the comments because I think this is the most comment I've gotten in my entire YouTube career is, wouldn't it have been cheaper to tear it all down and rebuild it? Yeah, yes, of course. It doesn't mean that's the right way to do it. But yeah, it would have been way cheaper and way faster. Before we start, we need one thing.
What?
We haven't had it in a while. Finally,
yes.
back on track.
Welcome back, Hausmeisterin.
Okay, the challenge is to not fall into the cellar. Let's just get a feel for it. Maybe it's much harder.
Oh, crazy.
Can you go downstairs and see if something falls down?
Yeah, sure.
Oh, fuck! Oh Gott, okay, stopp. Ich will wieder hoch. Scheiß drauf, ich will noch geilere Bilder, hau rauf. Ja. Oh.
Gleich kommt hier ein dicker Brocken.
Okay.
Alter! Okay, das ist krass.
Ich glaube, ich brauche eine Staubmaske.
Oh my god.
Oh Gott.
I'm so glad. Look at this.
Wow. Krass, ey.
Richtiger Streuselkuchen. Oh Gott. Alter, ey. Alter, Vater. Boah, kommen richtige Funken hier. The whole ceiling feels super unstable, so I think we should make some kind of support so that that's safe for us to walk on.
Ja.
So krass, ey.
Wow. Ah, Scheiße.
Nein, war das der Hammer? Ja. Krass.
Oh no. Hier, dein Hammer. Wow.
Ja, jetzt brauchen wir einen neuen Hammer, wa?
Ja. Ah,
Okay,
der neue Hammer.
der neue Hammer. Okay, I think we need a bigger hammer. Okay, great. So while we get 2 new hammers, the window dudes came and they will put in the last remaining window that was
Yes.
missing. So then all the windows are there. Okay, Hammer. Ja,
Ja.
5 Kilo.
Sollen wir gleich 2 nehmen?
Ja, aber dann 2 unterschiedliche,
Oh, geil.
oder?
Ja.
Brauchen wir sonst noch was?
Besenstiele.
Ja, auch alle durchgebrochen.
Ich weiß schon, was du machen willst.
Blödsinn auf jeden Fall. Janine wrote, there's a package for us at the shop.
Das ist das Beste an dem Baumarkt hier, oder?
Super, Kaffee umsonst.
Komm schon.
Achso, Entschuldigung. Felix.
Was ist das?
Before we get back to it, I knew this was coming, but I don't know what it is. Leatherman is turning 40 this year. By the way, so am I. And they have a special edition. There's only 500 of them, and I think only 2 in Germany or something. Ah. Ooh. Spring loaded. Ah. Yes. Okay, already I love it. All right, Leatherman, thank you so much and happy birthday. Let's get back to work.
Yes. Ready?
Ready?
Go! Leute, ey. Alter, ist das geil.
Alter Vater, ey. Richtig geil. Ja, komm mal, ein bisschen frische Luft, oder?
Yes.
Oh Gott, ich bin hier in irgendwas reingetreten.
Was denn?
Scheiße! Alte Freunde. I'm kind of happy that they found a new home, but their new home is very close to my home, so. But they look happy. Okay, let's just give them some privacy. Wild.
Komm mal runter, sieht mega geil aus hier.
Yeah? Okay, bad news is the ceiling is gone. Good news is that the steel beams are great. They look good. Nothing, we can reuse them. I don't want to rebuild the same kind of ceiling. I don't want to use concrete. I will rebuild a wooden ceiling. So the next step is, because this space is a little bit too big. I want to add wooden beams in between the steel beams and then rebuild the ceiling with a wooden construction.
Okay.
And now I'm thinking, like, should we do this in the other rooms? But we checked the other rooms and there's no damage. And eventually, once the floor is in place, there's not much force in between these beams. So it's okay. We just had to do it in this room because there was already a bunch of damage there. And you saw how easy the slabs came out. It was just a little bit of vibration essentially, and they just fell down. So I'm glad we did that.
Yes.
Yeah, no, that's good.
Okay.
It's good. It's like the New York breakfast photo. Okay, I want to talk about the comment section for a minute because, to be honest, this is a little bit of a delicate spot right now. Since I started working on the house, I feel like I got a whole new audience who are just interested in house stuff. But this is not actually what I do. I want to build stuff, I want to invent stuff, I want to have these weekly projects that are a little bit silly and just entertaining for me, and that's how the whole YouTube thing started. And now that the house is in a state where we can't constantly make content about it. And I also don't want that, because that's not what I do. Again, I want to build silly inventions. So more and more I can read comments that are like, yeah, but this is boring, I want to go back to the house. And to those people, I hear that, it's fine. It's not gonna happen though. I will make more house videos whenever we have something to film here. And right now it's a state where we're just not working here all the time. And sometimes we work here, but it's just boring. It's just us cleaning up. And the other thing I want to say, why these comments are sometimes like they hit me in a weird way, is because I think it is hard to understand how much work goes into making these videos. I feel like, and I have a big team, like I have this privilege of working with a big team, but we are doing 3 jobs. We're making the thing, the sculpture or the invention or whatever we're doing at the house. And then it's another job to document it and to find the story in it and to edit all of this. That's another full-time job. So we're at 3 jobs, and then 2 jobs. And then the 3rd job is to find people who pay us for that. So the people in the internet, you guys, can watch it for free. It's so much work to provide these videos for free and still pay everybody who is working so hard on making these videos, that sometimes if I get comments like, oh, this is boring, I want to see the house, it just doesn't feel good. So if you just want to see house videos, I'm sorry, this is not what's happening. If you enjoy everything that we're doing and you're just here to be with us on the ride, thank you so much. And I'm very happy to provide all of this for free.
We love you!
Okay, that's it. Now,
Jump!
no, wait. Now, let's move to the ad. This week's video is brought to you by Brilliant.org. Brilliant is a hands-on way to learn about math, science, and computer science. They offer thousands of lessons and add new content every month. Exploring visual data. They want to know if this is a useful list if you want to find out how much coffee cups a state needs. And I would say it's not useful because it's visually impossible to compare this, so not much use. That's right!
Yes!
Okay, now this makes sense. Okay, finally I got something right. Which state has more Starbucks Cafe, Florida or Washington? Florida. Right! This is a completely different lesson. I love it because it just teaches you how to visually compare data, which sounds simple, but this is also just the beginning of the lesson. I am guessing this is going to get a lot harder. But that's the whole thing about Brilliant. You do a little bit every day, and at the end of the day or of the week, this adds up to quite a lot. If you want to try everything that Brilliant has to offer, visit brilliant.org/LauraKampf or hit the link in the description. And the first 200 of you will get 20% off of Brilliant's annual premium subscription.